Okay, now let us move on to the second sum. The question says, construct triangle XYZ if triangle ABC similar to triangle XYZ, AB 9 centimeters, BC 15 centimeters and AC 12.6 centimeters, and AB is to XY is 3:1. Okay, so the first data that is given to us is triangle ABC similar to triangle XYZ. So this is given to us. When the triangles are similar, what do we know about their sides? That the sides bear a constant ratio. So let us write it down. So it is, let me show it to you again, AB upon XY equal to BC upon YZ equal to AC upon XZ. And what is this AB upon XY given to you as? 3:1. That means 3/1. The reason that we saw was CSST, that is corresponding sides of similar triangles. So as we solved in the previous sum, let us take each of these ratios and get the answer. So we take the first ratio, out of which AB is given to us as 9 centimeter. Alternando, this will be 9/3 equal to XY. Therefore, XY equal to 3. Okay, so then we go to the second part. BC upon YZ equal to 3/1. BC is known to us as 15. Therefore, 15 upon YZ is 3/1. Alternando, 15/3 equal to YZ. Therefore, YZ equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, now after this we go on to the last part, which is AC upon XZ. AC upon XZ equal to 3/1. AC is given to us as 12.6. Therefore, 12.6 upon XZ equal to 3/1. Therefore, 12.6 upon 3 equal to XZ. Therefore, XZ equal to 3 1s are 3 4s are 4.3. How much are 2s are? So, in triangle XYZ, XY equal to 3 centimeter, YZ equal to 5 centimeter, XZ equal to 4.2 centimeters. So these are the dimensions of the triangle that we have to construct. Now read the question correctly. It says construct triangle XYZ. In this sum, they haven't mentioned about constructing triangle ABC. So in this case, we will construct only triangle XYZ. So children, I hope you all are ready with your compass box for the construction. Let us begin. In triangle XYZ, the longest segment that you can see amongst this is XZ, which is 4.2 centimeters. So we will draw that first. XY is 3 centimeters. So on your compass, take XY, keep the pointer exactly at 0, and XY is 3 centimeters. Pointer at X, draw the arc. Okay, now for XZ, which is 4.2. So this cross is the intersection of those two arcs. Join it. What you get is the next triangle, which is X, Y, Z. Write down the measurements of XY as 3 centimeter and 4.2. YZ is 5 centimeter. So this is the required triangle. Children, the earlier two examples that we have seen for construction of similar triangles without the common vertex had measurements of all the three sides given to you. Now let us look at this example, which is slightly different. Here you have to construct triangle LMN if triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN. PQ is 3.8 centimeters, QR is 2.5 centimeters, and measure angle Q is 50 degrees. Okay, now what is different is here measure angle Q is given to you. So one of the angles is given to you. Let us see what will be the steps of our sum. As you know, earlier we begin with triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN, which is given to us. Now because the triangles are similar, what do you know about their sides? That the corresponding sides bear a constant ratio. So LM upon PQ equal to MN upon QR, which is equal to 2 upon 1. Reason? CS, ST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Did you notice here that I have not taken the third side into consideration because only PQ and QR are given to us. The third side is not mentioned. If the third side is mentioned, then it will be like the previous constructions that we have done. So here we need not take the third ratio into consideration. Let us substitute. So LM upon PQ is 2 upon 1. We take it here. LM upon PQ is 3.8 equal to 2 upon 1. PQ shifts here. Okay, so PQ shifts over here. That is, it gets multiplied on the other side. So 2 into 3.8 is 7.6 centimeters. Similarly, we take the next ratio, which is MN upon QR is 2 upon 1. QR is 2.5. So we've substituted that. MN is 2.5 into 2, which is 5 centimeter. We had done this for the earlier two constructions as well. But now instead of the third ratio, we have this angle given here. And what do you know about angles of similar triangles? That the angles are congruent. So angle Q congruent to angle M, therefore measure angle M, which we do not know, is equal to measure angle Q, which is 50 degrees. Okay. So now I have written here in triangle LMN, LM is 7.6 centimeters, measure angle M is 50 degrees and MN is 5 centimeters. So these are the measurements that we need to draw. So please be ready with the construction material. 7.6 being the longer side, we will draw that as the base. Okay, so this is okay. Now observe this, the angle M is 50 degrees. Okay, so if I write LM, there is no issue, this will be 7.6 centimeters. Now at point M we will have 50 degrees as the measurement. So let us take the help of the protractor. Please do not call this as a D. It may look like a D, but it's got a proper name. Do not give nicknames, isn't it? Okay, now pay attention. We are at point M here. The ray is on the left hand side. Pay attention to what I am saying. If the ray is on the left hand side, you will choose this upper scale with 0, that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so as you can see, there are two scales here, one beginning with 180, 170, 160. We are not going to choose that scale. We will start with the 0, which corresponds here and ends here at 50 degrees. So now okay, so this is the point here, 50 degrees. Now on this I want MN, which is 5 centimeters. So on the compass take 5 centimeters. Okay, place it on M and draw this up. I hope your compass pencil and your regular pencils are different. If you use the same pencil for the compass and the regular construction work or drawing lines, then the compass pencil becomes blunt and then you have to remove it again and again and keep it sharp. Okay, so keep the pencils separate. So this is LM and N. MN is 5 centimeter and this angle here is 50 degrees. In this sum again they have said only construct triangle LMN, so we have constructed only triangle LMN. If they say, the question tells you that you should be constructing both the triangles, you will construct both the triangles. So now children, we have learnt how to construct two similar triangles by calculation, especially when they have no common vertex. Thank you children. These angles are congruent to each other because they are the corresponding angles of similar triangles. So we will write the reason as CAST.